Halo semuanya, selamat datang di channel saya Paper Stories.
An American typist, Bette Nesmith Graham found a solution to cover up errors in typing with a liquid called liquid paper, or what we know as tipp-ex. Bette Nesmith Graham was born March 23, 1924, in the corner of Dallas, Texas, USA. He was raised in his hometown by his parents, Jesse and Christine McMurry. As usual, education is very important in life. Bette doesn't even like education at school. In fact, he had to be expelled from high school at the age of 17. However, his interest in work is very strong. Diligently, he applied to several companies that wanted to accommodate him to work as a secretary. Then, with the support of the company where she worked, Bette Graham was able to continue her delayed schooling. He then continued his intellectual career at the secretarial school. Shortly thereafter, in 1943, he married at the age of 19 to Warren Nesmith, an American soldier who participated in World War II. But marriage did not last long. After the divorce, Bette Graham was appointed executive secretary at Texas Bank and Trust in Dallas. His work that requires speed and accuracy makes him often make mistakes in typing on an electric typewriter. This mistake also happened to his co-workers at the office. One day, Bette Graham saw a painter overlapping the colors of an image with another paint. Then, he was inspired to create something that could cover up typing errors on paper. The liquid is smeared over the place of the typo. To apply the potion paint, he uses a small brush. Before being commercialized by its creator, this liquid was known as Mistake Out. His brilliant idea attracted many office workers and secretaries. In order to make money on his inventions, he began to study promotion and marketing methods. Tirelessly, Bette continued to do research until the corrector fluid she made was more perfect. After several years of perfecting his findings, Bette Graham began to dare to offer Mistake Out to the IBM company, which at that time dominated the office equipment business. However, his efforts failed. IBM refused on the grounds that Mistake Out had no sale value. However, it did not dampen the spirit of Bette Graham. He then founded the Mistake Out company at his home. Not long ago his business stood, Bette Graham got a tough ordeal. He was fired from his job because of an unforgivable mistake. This bad luck was used to market his homemade products. With minimal capital, Bette Graham promoted and marketed a typo cover fluid. Even to increase selling points, he changed the name of Mistake Out to liquid paper and continued to produce and sell the product from his kitchen and garage for the next 17 years. The first largest order occurred in 1961. A trader from San Antonio bought up his products. In 1967, his company became a large company and succeeded in supplying its products to 31 countries. In fact, the company, which was later named Liquid Paper in 1976, was able to generate a net profit of more than $1.5 million. In 1979, Gillette Corporation bought the entire Bette company and liquid paper patents for $47.4 million and royalties on each bottle sale.